Hello guys, I'm back again in this version of this tutorial. I'm going to show you guys how we make how you can create a graphics, or let's say I'm actually going to create a thumbnail making use of my Android application, which is my favorite Android application for editing, and it's very light and not consuming much space on the phone, so it's very easy to create, which is actually photo grid, which I just made use of if you watch my previous video. Okay, right now I want to create a first of all, let's open the application and then let's see the interface and everything. You already seen it before, there is nothing fancy about it. Okay, wait for it to load. Okay, like you remember, we should just click on edit and then start editing on our image, but I already have a design in mind, so I don't want to waste time on it. Let me show you guys. Let me quickly grab a picture and then we'll come back on. I'm going to create a thumbnail for my last video before I publish it on YouTube. So I created a video for video YouTube recorder, and I needed the logo, and I can't get the logo online, so I just want to screenshot. I just took a screenshot now, so let's go back to our photo grid and then click on edit. So we are going to remove the background just like we did on our previous tutorial. So click on photos, and it's not showing yet because I just took a screenshot right now. Let's go to screenshot. Let's see. Okay, now this is our application. Click on it. I didn't notice that initially it was there before. So now let's go ahead and scroll to cut. Once you've selected cut, or you need like the previous one, we need to zoom in, zoom in, zoom in, and then let's undo because it actually selected something for us. So now all we need is this video edit studio, just the logo. So go ahead, the smart is already checked and the plus is on, so let's go ahead and click and highlight, try to hover on our target location. Okay, I think I'm done. So once you're done, just click on OK, and it's going to cut it out for you. So once that is done, all you need to do is and if you remember, whenever you cut out something, it says it on sticky. So when you check your sticky and check your clip, you can notice it right here. So when you click on it, you'll be able to add it back. And then I just want to quickly show you guys, it actually saves whatever you cut or whatever you just edited. So let me go ahead and close this, and we need a background, so let's go ahead and give it a background. Since this is the color of the logo is orange, red, purple, so we are going to make selection of different colors right now. It's taking a while because my data is on, so let me off my internet. I think it's going to be faster now. So now let's select the color and then select this orange. I really don't like to make my colors orange, but because of this tutorial, let's make use of this. And it's not reflecting properly. How about blue? Okay, this isn't so bad. Now let's settle with this blue. I think I'm okay with this blue. Now let's go over to the ratio. Since it's a YouTube thumbnail, let's click on this 16 by 17, and you can notice something showing, which is actually the logo. We don't want the watermark to be showing. Let's say no watermark, we don't need that, thank you. Now let's zoom in again, click on it, on the logo, move it right here, and then zoom out again. Oh, too much. Okay, move this guy over here, and it's going away. Now we need to add a test, which is going to be how but it's too big, so go ahead and reduce it. I already made video on how to do this, so showing you guys again. And let's add another test. We need more tests. Okay, this time we reduce again. And then this time around, let's change the colors of the background. Let's change it to white. And then the color of the image should be red. I think this is not bad. Now click outside to save it, and we need something else. Let me arrange it. Centralizing. Okay, better. Now we need something else to come in. So let's go to sticker, and I already have some sticker made for us. The YouTube sticker, I need it right here in the center. And we also need another sticker, which I'm just going to show you guys how I make these stickers. So I need my logo sticker. I already have it, but let me show you guys how to make it. Once you click on the sticker area, click on clip, and now click on the plus button. The plus button means you want to add a new sticker. Now let me go ahead and look for my logo sticker, clip, plus, and then let me look for my logo. This might take a while. You know what? I stored it somewhere. It's a download. Now this is the sticker. Next thing, you need to click on sample, and then you select the eclipse. I think I'm taking more time on this video, sorry guys. Going to hurry it up. We're almost done here. Okay, now you can see we have our logo sticker, and we can also put this right here. I think this is where it belongs, and that's it. There's nothing else to add, except if you want to increase this YouTube logo, let's go ahead and click on it and then increase it. Don't make it oversized. I think it's better this way. So once you're done, just go ahead and click on next, and make sure this size is already selected. If not, click on this drop down to select any size you wish to use, but I think I prefer this. Is actually default for YouTube video. So now go ahead and click on save, and the image is going to be saved for us, and it's going to be saved on your gallery. Never mind whenever it shows an advert. So now our image is saved on the gallery, and now we can go ahead and upload our image wherever it's saved. Let's check our image and be sure. Go ahead and click on your home page. Go to your gallery page, and you can see the recent saved picture. If you can't see that, just click on the album time. So this is the last image. Now you can see how our image look like. Now you can see it's not too bad to create an image, and you could actually create and do more with this. There is nothing much difficult in creating these images, and it's pretty easy to do it on the phone instead of going on the system and spending more time on your design. But if you have your own creativity and you have your own creative design and you want to use something different, something more unique, you can go for any software you want. If not, I think this software is not bad. It's very easy, and this looks better than most YouTube thumbnail you can see out there. But anyway, this is how I do it, and this is how we roll, and I'm going to be showing you guys more tutorial in the future. Thanks you guys for watching. Make sure you like and comment on the video if it actually helped you guys, and make sure you subscribe to my channel to be getting more of the videos, and really I appreciate. Thank you for watching again. My name is Trust Stanley from TS TikTok.